Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Bob Rose. Today's weather spotlight is on the weather outlook for the rest of fall and this upcoming winter. Now we've seen some amazing weather so far this fall. September and the first half of October were unusually dry and very warm. But then we got to the latter part of October and that's when two separate rainstorms brought widespread heavy rains to our region. In fact, anywhere between 5 and 20 inches. A few spots even saw between 10 and 15 inches of rain in just one day alone. Back in late October, that's when the influence of El Niño began to resurface and really influence our weather pattern. Now, a lot of folks have been asking me, well, what's the outlook going to be for the rest of fall and going forward? Well, it looks like this influence from El Niño is going to be with us now for the next several months. El Niño helps direct the jet stream across the southern U.S. and into Texas, bringing us periodic storms. Some of these are going to be wetter than others. But this pattern of storms marching from west to east across the southern U.S. should continue right on through winter and even into the early spring. Some of these may even bring the threat of flooding if all the conditions come together to produce those heavy rains. Along with that, we're looking at temperatures to be below normal from December and right on through the early part of spring. What about beyond spring? Well, the El Niño is probably going to reach its peak sometime around January and hold in place through early spring. But beyond that, I do think this El Niño will be fading and our weather pattern will be changing as we get to late spring and next summer. With your spotlight on weather, I'm Bob Rose. Thanks for watching.